So hello guys, now we'll see very important question asked in interviews, that is what is meant by generic pointer. So this generic pointer is also known as void pointer. Okay, and the general declaration of this generic pointer or void pointer is done with the help of void star PTR. Okay, so the main advantage of this void pointer is it is capable of pointing to any data item. Okay, even though you cannot access it directly, but it will be able to focus or point any type of data. Okay, but whenever you want to access that data, perform typecasting into that particular data type and access. Okay, it's very simple. See here, I have taken one integer data item which is x, whose value is currently 10, and we have another data type item which is ch, character data type, and this character data type is holding data called a. Okay, so now we have declared GP, which is a generic pointer. Okay, so you can observe here clearly it is generic pointer. Now the moment you write GP equal to address of x, okay, so this generic pointer will be holding this particular address. Let us suppose 2000 is the address of x, and generic pointer is now pointing to this one. Okay, since the data type of this generic pointer is void, which is an empty data type, so it won't be able to access the data item 10. Okay, so but we can perform typecasting like this. Okay, so generally star GP, okay, contents pointed by GP. Since it is a generic pointer, we are performing this typecasting int star. So it is performing typecasting to integer data type, and once the generic pointer is converted into an integer pointer, and now it will be able to access the data inside this, because this x is an integer data type. Okay. Now the moment you want to access a character data item, immediately use this statement GP equal to address of ch. Let us suppose the address of ch is 3000 memory location. So in that case, now GP must be pointing to 3000, and immediately the pointer will be pointing to this memory location. Okay. So now in order to access the data inside this memory location, we have to perform typecasting char star GP. So right now the generic pointer is now typecasted to character pointer, and this character pointer will be able to get the data inside this memory location. Okay, star represents contents inside that particular memory location. So the corresponding output produced will be, first it is going to print 10, because using generic pointer we are able to access the content inside this memory location by typecasting it into integer pointer. So later, using the same generic pointer, we have typecasted and pointed, okay, to the character data item, so which will be able to get the contents inside this character data type. Okay, so A will be obtained here. So this is the corresponding output. Okay, so very simple, generic pointer is defined with the help of void data type. Okay, so using generic pointer we can point to any data item, but whenever we want to access it, we have to perform typecasting, okay, to the desired data type. Then only we will be able to access it. Clear?